Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and day 2 of my breakfast recipe week. Down here in the South, we love us some biscuits. So today I'm going to share with y'all some buttermilk biscuits from scratch. And the best part, it only called for 3 ingredients. Yep, that's right, sugar. 3 ingredient buttermilk biscuits. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these. Perfect to go along with some grits, eggs, and bacon. And if you're a beginner baker or new at making biscuits, this is your recipe. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more breakfast recipes, check out my playlist and my previous video, Creamy Grits. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So turn on your oven, grab your flour and your biscuit cutter sugar, because we're about to bake some buttermilk biscuits magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our flour. We need 2 cups of self-rising flour. I'm using my favorite, White Lily. So we're going to use my 1 cup measurement and fluff it up. Using my butter knife, we're going to level it off like so. And voila, perfect cup. We're going to pour it into my sifter and large bowl. We need 1 more cup. Just repeat the process. Another perfect cup. So that's our 2 cups of self-rising flour. Now I'm going to sift my flour, or you can whisk it if you like. Alrighty, into our self-rising flour, we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of cold lard. Using my pastry cutter, or you can use a fork, we're just going to cut the lard in until it reaches coarse crumbs, like the size of peas. Alright, as soon as I get through cutting my lard in, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I am through cutting my lard into the flour, and this is what it looks like. Nice coarse crumbs. That looks great. So now it's time to add in our last ingredient. 1 cup of cold buttermilk. Going to stir it in until it's well incorporated. The dough will be sticky and wet. And that's our 3 ingredients. 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1/2 cup of lard, and 1 cup of buttermilk. How simple and easy was that? And the secret to perfect fluffy biscuits is the buttermilk and lard is super cold. Alright, as soon as I get through stirring up my dough, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, this is what the dough looks like. Wet and sticky. That's exactly what we want. So now we are ready to form it into a ball. Going to dust some flour onto my work surface. And I'm using the same flour, self-rising flour. Going to plop my dough down. Going to add some flour and knead it a few times. You can always add more flour if needed, but be careful not to add a lot. Alright my friends, I am through kneading up my dough. It formed into a ball, so now we're going to flatten it. And we're going to fold it about 3 times, going to create layers. Alrighty, now we're going to take our biscuit cutter and dunk it into the flour. You can also use a glass. We're going to press it down, but don't twist it. And voila, perfect biscuit. Going to place the biscuit onto my baking sheet. Make sure the biscuits touch each other, so that way when they bake, they can rise up. Alright, as soon as I get through with the rest of my biscuits, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I am through cutting my biscuits, and this recipe makes about 8 to 10. I placed them on the 9 by 13 inch baking pan that I lined with parchment paper. Now we are ready to put these beautiful biscuits in the oven. Oven's preheated to 450 degrees. Going to let them bake for 14 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, come stick your head over here and smell these beautiful biscuits. Oh, there's nothing like it. You can smell them all over the house. I just taken them out of the oven. Smells heavenly up in this kitchen. See how nice and golden brown they are? And if you like them just a little bit more brown, you can stick them under the broiler, brush them up with some butter, but be careful because they'll burn quickly. Time to butter these beauties. I have some melted butter here in my pot. Going to brush them right on top and on the sides. Excellent. So now our biscuits are ready to serve. Going to put them in my bowl. All right, my friends, there you have it. 3-ingredient buttermilk biscuits. Completely from scratch. Don't they look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and give it a taste. All right, my friends, I got my plate right here. And before we taste it, I want to show y'all how soft and fluffy this biscuit is. Oh yes, soft and squishy like a pillow. It's nice and golden and brown on the bottom. And look at the flaky layers inside. Perfect. There's a couple of more things I gotta add to it. More melted butter. This is unsalted butter. And some jelly. You can also add honey, syrup, or gravy. How do you like your biscuit? Let me know down below in the comment section. Going to close it up. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. Look at that texture. It just melts in your mouth. It's so fluffy and moist. Buttery. There's nothing like homemade biscuits. The best. These are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Buttermilk Biscuits licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.